Tao po. Tao po. Tao po.
Pasok kayo.
Tita Amelia, Billy, humingi ako ng dispensa sa mga nasabi ng mama ko.
Sorry po rin, tita, about my parents. Kinausap ko sila. Hindi ka na nila aawayan, Billy.
Tita, about Tita Ninang, Tita Beatrice, I just want to let you know that she told me all she wants is for me to be happy. I made it clear to her that Billy is who makes me feel that way. She won't come in between us anymore.
Ako, sinamahan ko lang sila. Wala naman tayong problema, Billy, di ba?
Sige na, kausapin mo na. Humahaba lalo ang buhok mong kamay.
Yuan. Jai, may point naman ng parents nyo, kaya naiintindihan ko sila. Sino ba namang magulang ang may gustong i-date ng anak nila ang nagpapaligaw sa napakaraming lalaki?
Bakit? Wala naman mali sa ginagawa natin, di ba? We all agreed on that. And we like to court you. Everyone goes on date, di ba? I mean, they used to before. And millennials, they don't even date. But you are like Dalagang Filipina. And we respect that.
That's why we're willing to go through hoops for you.
Yes, we are in this for the long run, Billy.
Pili habang wala ka pang napipili sa amin. Willing kaming maghintay kahit gaano pa katagal.
Hindi naman kami nagmamadali, Billy.
Sabi nga, good things come to those who wait. You're not good, Billy. You're great.
Billy, please don't take too long to decide. Please.
Jai.
What? I'm just joking, guys.
Kita mo ni.
Sige na, okay na.
Okay, now what?
Pinapatawad ko na kayo.
Yes! Yes!
Pero kailangan nyo nang bumalik sa trabaho. Puro kayo ligaw eh. Tsaka, di ba magbubukas na rin yung bar sa tapat mo?
Yeah, tomorrow night. Don't worry about it. We can beat them. Kami pa. Diba, guys?
Oo naman.
Siyempre.